Hello friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about Windows tool in Adobe Dreamweaver. First of all, go in Create New and select HTML. Click on Windows so you can see many options. Insert. It opens the Insert panel and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus F2. Property. It opens the Property Inspector and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus F3. CSS style. It opens the CSS style panel from which you can define and edit AP elements. It opens the AP elements panel and its shortcut key is F2. Business Catalyst. It opens the Business Catalyst panel and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus B. Database. It opens the database panel so you can work any dynamic website and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus F10. Binding. It opens the binding panel and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus F10. Server behaviors. It opens the server behaviors panel and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus F9. Components. It opens the component panel for use with Cold Fusion site and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus F7. Files. It opens the file panel from Windows. You can open any file, any transfer from your file. It opens the file panel from Windows. You can open any file and transfer file between your computer to remote computer and its shortcut key is F8. Asset. It opens the asset panel. Snippets. It opens the snippet panels which contain snippets of HTML, JavaScript and other types of programming codes and its shortcut key is Shift plus F9. Tag Inspector. It opens the Tag Inspector panel and its shortcut key is F9. Behaviors. It opens the Behaviors panel and its shortcut key is Shift plus F4. History. Display the History panel and its shortcut key is Shift plus F10. Frames. Display the Frame panel so you can select frame you want and its shortcut key is Shift plus F2. Code Inspector. Display the HTML for the current document and its shortcut key is F10. Result. Click on Result. Many white tools open. Search, References, W3C validation, browser compatibility, link checker, site reports, FTP logs, server debugs, etc. Extension. This menu lets you access various online services such as Access CS Live, Adobe Browser Lab, Share My Screens, etc. Workspace layout. Let you save the position and the size of Dreamweaver's panel and windows in any arrangement you like. Hide panel. Close all currently open panels and its shortcut key is F4. Application bar. It opens and closes an application bar at the top of the screen. Cascade. Cascade option resizes each open document and places them one of the top of the other. Tile horizontally. It opens document one on the top of the other as horizontally. Tile vertically. It opens the documents one on the top of the other as vertically. Thank you for watching this tutorial.